Roar, roar, roar.
Is there where the dog following us, boys?
No, Teddy. We lost track of her.
Okay, boys, don't you dare lose the money. We need to take it to our new destination. Now we need to find some transport. Come on, boys. Let's find a suitable boat.
Hello, Sunshine. How's your work been? How's your log detail going? What's the matter? Are you feeling well? I can't complain, Tenchench. Now, no secrets. You can tell your best friend all about everything. Well, Tenchench, it's like this. You were saying? I love my log detail, but I can't help thinking what's on the other end of the barrier that prevents us from entering Bristol. Now, Sunshine, you know we're not allowed near the viaduct till the barriers have been removed. But once the barriers have been removed, Captain Star will surely allow you to travel to Bristol. Well, I better get on my rounds. Ta-ta! I wish I could depart this harbour, then I'll be able to explore Bristol and see the wonders of the city. Not too far from the harbour. Look at all the food! Look, Mommy, they're selling American sweets. Okay, Tanya, but don't buy too many sweets, otherwise you'll waste your dinner. Don't worry, Mommy, I won't buy too many sweets.
Look, Callum, there's a store covered with VHS tapes.
Did you say VHS tapes? Oh, let me see. Wow, look at all those videotapes. Yes, sir, we got those amazing VHS tapes, especially sold for Appletown. We got children's, drama, fantasy, violence, and documentaries. Blimey, there's so many to choose. Well, little man, you can choose any VHS tape you like. Psst, psst, Callum, psst, come over here. Psst, oi, hey, get over here. Alright, no time for wisecracks. I need your help. Some three cruel dogs have hijacked my car and they've stolen my money. The ringleader's a yellow dog that looks exactly like me. I know these dogs. Their names are Teddy, Jack, and Scamp. They're friends of mine during the tragic COVID year. They're no friends of mine. They're swindlers and they're tough-looking criminals. We'll borrow this speedboat for now. Are you sure you know how to drive a boat? Oh yes, Becky. I've been driving the tugboat while I rescued Tanya from those sneaky crows. But don't worry, Becky. I'll get your money back in no time. Well, let's be off. We're gonna skin those furballs once and for all. Right, Shell, I'm all set and ready to go. Well, you take care with those log barges. They're very heavy and could sink you if you're not careful. And watch out for obstacles that block your way. You can count on me, buddy. Ouch!
Hey, little teacher boat, can you take us to our new home? There's a lady dog after us, and she's trying to kill us. Can you go as fast as I can?
Sure thing, little doggy. I'll see what I can do.
There they are. They're getting away with my loot. We got to get those fools. Follow that boat.
Boss, the penal dog is coming after us.
Oh, snap, crackle and pop. That's the one for look back. Oi, just above. Go as fast as I can.
Right you are, sir. Oops, sorry, Grampus. Ooh, whatever is happening?
Now I got you.
Why is that lady dog shooting at me?
Don't give up, Callum. We almost got those pests. Don't let them get away.
A lady dog chewing out those star tugs? How interesting. Oh, I'm getting tired. I'm not used to that lady dog shooting at me.
Take the high road on the right.
Right, Becky.
Look, the fizzling firebox is up, Callum. Watch out for that lightship.
Oh no, not again. Come on, come on. This is it, the tall viaduct. Now's my chance to enter Bristol.
Just above. Please turn back. We're gonna crash into the barrier.
We can't give up now.
Haha, the boat's losing steam. We got it now for sure.
You've done it! Hooray!
I did it. I think I actually did it. I finally get to go to Bristol after all. Good morning. Drat, they got away. Sorry I couldn't get your money back.
Never mind, Callum. We'll try again tomorrow. But all you have to do is follow the damn tugboat, Callum. All right, mate. Let's get back to Appletown.
Let's hope the market doesn't close. Me and Bimbo were looking at some VHS tapes earlier.
Don't worry, Callum. You'll be back in time.
Ah, home sweet home. Now for the market.
And where have you been?
Sorry about that, Bimbo. But me and Becky had to go on a secret mission.
And what sort of mission?
Some enemies of mine had stolen my money, and now they escaped with the loot.
Never mind, Becky. I have something for you and Callum for all your bravery. Wicked! Some VHS tapes. And a whole pack of American sweets.
Ooh, a whole pack of American sweets. Oh, thank you ever so much, Belinda.
Gee, I don't know what to say. Thank you ever so much, Belinda.
Hello, honey. I'm Patty Deutsch.
Give a move on there, my friends. I'm Timothy Baton. Bless my soul. Good morning, citizens. I'm Bernard Fox.
Hello, darlings. I'm Jean Van der Pyle.
Pring hound da, Piffle Plant. Gary Williams, and do we?